Hear my voice, oh God, in my prayer. Preserve my life for fear of the enemy. Hide me from a secret counsel of the wicked who belong from resurrection of workers and iniquity. Let them talk, keep them talking. Sentence, keep them talking. Lord, let them keep talking. Whoa, whoa. Walking the walking sentence. Hear my voice, oh God, in my prayer. Preserve my life for fear of the enemy. Hide me from a secret counsel of the wicked who belong from resurrection of workers of iniquity. Let them talk, keep them talking. Yeah. We're gonna keep them talking, Lord, when they're talking. We've got a lot more coming. If there were dogs, then they would bark. Shoot them now, know they're gonna soon die. Like an old chop, Santa's gonna put them to back. Let them talk, keep them talking. Yeah, we're gonna keep them talking. Like when they're Santa's, how you feeling? They're really in this year, yes. Tell me how you feeling, yeah. Oh, well now. Next shot, Mr. Selector, I know that I touch it down, you know. Okay, sentence people is alright. Live up. Next one. Storm is over. Yeah. Sentence. I was in the tunnel, couldn't see the light. And whenever I look up, couldn't see the easy. Hold up there. Sentence, I want to tell you, say, a straight word from the other day. And I also a little bit, but you don't know a little hero thing and a sentence people thing too. You see me? Discover beer. So you don't know what I have to represent my brother. Right? Yes, sentence. Yeah. Yeah. Sentence ladies. Watch out. And you read your mind. And I know your story. I can see what you're going. Yeah, it's an uphill climb, and I'm feeling sorry, but I know it will come. surely last. You got a crush on me, I know. Going crazy for me. Obstacles standing in your way. Won't let you be. People watching every move you make. Count the steps you take. The way that I lead you sentence, I won't give you no break. No time to linger. Not to gosh. Next chapter selection, I don't know, you know. We have to touch your mouth at the time.